Alrighty, what's happening, y'all? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Sunbeam Steam Master 1400 watt iron. Alright, that was a mouthful. It's an excellent iron that I've been using for many years now. And, you know, it's an iron. It does just the job. Just the job it needs to. Not too fancy, not too simple. It's a really good in-between for irons. For starters, super lightweight, easy to hold. It's got this nice little handle here that's very comfortable in my hand. You know, and I would say I have a pretty standard size hand. So, you know, if you need something that's a little bigger, this certainly works as well. I love how the back on here, as you can see, is translucent. So you can see how much water you have inside, you know, before you use it. Because there's nothing worse than putting a dry iron down on your clothes and realizing you have no water in it. It's not good for your clothes. On the top, as you can see, we have this nice little pointed front. And it's got actually a really nice point to it, a really nice angle to it. That's perfect for getting into tighter collars or cuffs or around buttons. That's pretty much all I wear are button-up shirts and jeans. And so, you know, you definitely have those like tighter corners that you need to wrap around or be very detailed in your ironing. And so that helps, having that pointed front. You have this cord. I'm going to try and pull this without totally over with one hand. So you have this cord, very long. It retracts when you're done. But simple little push to this button. There we go. Boom. And it's back in there. It's about, I think, like probably somewhere about like 6, 7, 8 feet in total length. Not totally sure on that, but it does stretch out pretty far. So, you know, I can iron pretty much anywhere in my house. And there's, you know, it's long enough to reach a plug somewhere. The reason I actually purchased this iron to start with is I used to have this other really old iron, and it was terrible. But it leaked all the time, and it was so annoying because, you know, I'd be ironing in the morning and I would come out and, you know, I'd put it basically down on my clothes, and next thing you know, I'd pull it up and there'd be water just all over the shirt that I was trying to iron. And so yeah, so I got this one, and I can say I've never had that issue, which is awesome. You know, because you don't want wet clothes. That's not the point of ironing. On the back, you can see we have this little fabric dial setting. Again, I'm not too fancy with a lot of my clothes, so I usually just keep it on the cotton setting. But if you are someone who is very particular or needs different settings for pieces of clothing that are unique, then this iron can help with that. It's very easy to refill. Right here on the top you can see, yeah, you know, just stick a little funnel in there, funnel water inside. And yeah, again, super easy to see when you need to fill up as well. In terms of using it, I've noticed that it glides really easily across my clothes and irons out pretty much any creases pretty well. This sole plate on the front right here is almost, it reminds me a lot of like a Teflon sort of material. This nice like non-stick steel. I'm not really sure like exactly what the material is, but I'm assuming it's like a non-stick sort of steel. And it works really well. It never sticks to any of my clothes. Another problem I have with my old iron is I would be, you know, trying to move it across and it would stick. And, you know, again, not the point of an iron. So that's a nice little thing that they have on there. Steam function on this thing is awesome. I don't use it too often, but when I do have like a night out or I'm going to like an event and like I need to steam a coat or something really quick, then, you know, you just basically hold it up, and you have these two buttons right here, as you can see, this little plume and this little shower. You just boom, press it, and it sprays. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to spray at the wall, but it is a really nice function. So it just sprays heat up water or steam when it's heated up. And you can do it from a vertical angle, which is cool. You know, it still works. I don't know, maybe it gathers it from the bottom or something, but that works. Really nice shot of steam. The pressure on this thing is pretty high too, so it can really get into clothes much deeper than you think. All in all, it's an excellent iron. A Sunbeam Steam Master. If you need to, you know, get out those wrinkles or creases, I would highly recommend it. Yeah. All right, guys, take it easy. Stay wrinkle free.